Hello, hi everyone. Alena from Intense Memories. I like to continue with page 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. It will be 9, and let's go to do it. So I prepare a few things. Of course, I cut the basic for page, and then from other collection, from art of alchemy of art, I found that frames, so I use C6, cut off this, and then I with scissors fussy cutting frame, then I put acetate on back side, and I get frame for photo. Little bit different like usual. So I already put double tape, which I want to take off. Not double tape, just cover of double tape. I put tape on 3 sides to make pocket. So I use also, I want to use, okay, I want to use glue especially on the bottom, because if we will put photo there or something, it can glue on that tape, what I don't want. Okay. When I measure frame, I found it's exactly place for put photomat there. So I cut strip 13 and a half by 9 and a half. Okay. Also for same sheet was that frame with that balloon, but I don't want balloon to see it. So I thinking just glue, oops,